So let's proceed with the MSS classification of information. Information can be classified in a number of ways, and this chapter you will learn two of the most important ways to classify information. So you have here the chart. So we have the information considered as classified into different properties. The first one is classification by characteristics, classification by application, classification by management hierarchy. Under classification by characteristics, we have addition versus nonfiction and information, recurring versus non-recurring information, internal versus external information. Under classification by application, we have the following: planning information, control information, knowledge information. Classification by management hierarchy, here are the sub-levels. We have supervisor level information, middle level, and of course top level information. So classification by characteristic. Based on Anthony's classification of management information used in business for decision making is generally characterized by three types. We have strategic information. Strategic information is concerned with long-term policy decisions that defines the objectives of a business and checks how well these objectives are met. For example, acquiring a new plant, a new product, diversification of business, etc. comes under strategic information. So, if you are planning something new on your company, ito yung tatawag nating strategic information. The next one is tactical information. Tactical information is concerned with the information needed for exercising control over business resources like budgeting, quality control, service, inventory level, productivity level, etc. Operational information is concerned with plant, business, or level information is used to ensure proper conduction of specific operational tasks as planned intended. Various operator-specific machine shifts, jobs for quality control checks comes under this category. So, ginagamit ito for company operations, for example. Classification by application, we have planning information. These are information needed to establishing standard norms and specification in an organization. This information is used in strategic, tactical, and operation planning of any activity. Examples such information are time standards or design standards. So kapag nagpaplano, ito po ang ginagamit nilang information regarding sa changes sa company policies. Control information. This information is needed for establishing control over all business activities through feedback mechanism. This information is used for controlling attainment, nature, and utilization of importance processes in a system. When such information reflects a deviation from the established standards, the system should induce a decision or an action leading to control. So there should be what you call well-organized decision making. Knowledge information. Knowledge is derived as information about information. Knowledge information is acquired through experience and learning and collected from archival data and research studies. Organizational information deals with an organization environment, culture in the light of its objectives. Carl Weck's organizational information theory emphasizes that an organization reduces its equivocality uncertainty by collecting, managing, and using this information prudently. This information is used by everybody in the organization. Examples of such information are employee and payroll information. Functional and operational information. This operation-specific information, for example, daily schedules in manufacturing plant, that refers to the detailed assignment of jobs to machines or machines to operators. In a service-oriented business, it would be the duty roster of various personnel. This information is mostly internal to the organization. So yun yung tawag nating pag-schedule ng mga manpower. At the same time, pati yung sa scheduling ng machine operations. Database information construes large quantities of information that has multiple usage and application. Such information is stored, retrieved, and managed to create databases. For example, material specification or supplier information is stored for multiple users. So, storage of data or records of the company's operations. So, that's about it. Thank you very much for listening.